So our last test in biochemical test 1 at least is the urease test, and we need to read that. That's page 119. So this explains the principle that urease, which is an enzyme, is produced by some microorganisms, which is helpful also in identifying P. vulgaris. So this gives you a good idea of how we can identify it. So basically our broth contains a pH indicator, which we'll see in just a second. We have page 120, which gives us lab procedure 2. And then this is where you would be recording the results on page 121. And remember, you're only dealing with the organisms that are given to you. So for the urease test, this is our control tube, urease broth, which is more of like a yellowish color starting off. It's hard to get it clear. Here, you could tell it's like a yellow color. So basically, we want to test the presence of urease, which is an enzyme, and it's detectable through organisms which are grown in urea broth containing a pH indicator phenol red. The theory is that the substrate urea, which is contained in this broth, when it's split into its products, the presence of ammonia creates an alkaline environment that causes the phenol red to turn a deep pink color. So that's in your book as well. So the presence of urease will create this nice dark pink color, which we see in P. vulgaris. And if you look back at the principle, this test is primarily very useful in identifying P. vulgaris species. And it says that other organisms may produce urease, but their action on the substrate tends to be a little bit slower, which we might see in cane pneumonia, which has this pinkish color. Very pink here. And then we have P. vulgaris, which is is still this yellow color, and then E. coli, which we tested, is still this yellow color. That's better. Let's see. P. vulgaris, cane pneumonia, which is maybe slower breakdown of the substrate, and then Salmonella typhi. And then you could refer to pictures as well. So you'll be filling this out. Here, just observations. If it turned pink, it would be urease positive. If it did not turn pink, it would be urease or hydrolysis, urea hydrolysis negative.